fly now. Oh, not there. Oh, that is crazy. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Alright guys, yes, in this video I will teach you how to do the simplest and the easiest and maybe realistic, somehow realistic helicopter mechanics here in Roblox Build mode. We are not even going to use these expensive jet turbines. So yes guys, this one is really cheap. We don't even need to use the scaling tool and thrower tool with this one. Alright guys, so let us start building this easiest and simplest helicopter mechanics here in Roblox Build mode. Yeah, so we're gonna find the center of this. Yeah, so we move one, place the pistons like that, maybe 5 pistons, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I think yeah, that will do for now. And we are going to place, of course, some block here, just like that. You know what, let's just make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we gotta place a block here. Alright, place 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So delete these blocks and this. So the center block must remain, alright? And then the sides, of course. And then we're gonna place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make it 6 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? And actually add some more. There you go. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3, there you go. And then yeah, this one center block. Alright, and then of course this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they must be connected like that. Now actually guys, if you want to add some more pistons, well actually you can do that, but it's easier to control if you only have 4 pistons. So now we are going to add some motor boats so that we can drive this. I will just use this boat motor because not all of us have the ultra boat motor, so I'll just use the simple boat motor. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I think that will do. That's a lot actually, but of course guys, if you want to add some more and if you are using heavier blocks, you might need some more boat motors. Want to make sure that these boat motors are holding to the blocks. So what I'm going to do is gonna zoom in and yeah, place the block here. And yes, there you go. Alright, actually yeah, this one will function now, but the thing is, of course, we need pilot seat. No, we only need car seat with this. So I'm gonna place one car seat here, or maybe if you want, you can use button, because guys, I want all these blocks, alright, all the active blocks to be connected first here on this chair, so that when we place the real chair, car seat chair, maybe only one blocks will be binded. And yes guys, we actually need this binding tool with this, of course. So now yeah, this one is connected with the chair, so disconnect it first. So now we can delete this now. Actually the wheels, alright, so we are going to use switch for the wheel. So yeah, I'm gonna place switch there again, and then this is the switch for the rotor blade. So yeah, this wheel is connected with the switch now, and this one, yeah, they are now connected. We can delete this now. So now we are going to bind these both motors with the chair. So now the controls, it's up to you. Alright, well, is this mobile friendly? Yes guys, I suggest you add another switch for the pistons. So you connect the pistons with a switch so that you can control it easily or properly. Alright, and yeah, the switch, it's up to you where you want to put it. For now, because I am in PC, so I will take advantage of this. So for the pull, alright, we gotta use R. Then for push, letter E. Well, this one will function now for sure, but if you have property tool, it's better because you can turn these blocks, alright, these mechanics blocks invisible like this. Look at this. Turn them transparent. Make this transparent. Make this transparent. Make this transparent. And yes, make this transparent. There's something else we need to do, so get these blocks. make them visible first, and also these blocks. Yeah. So yes guys, we actually need to extend the platform, alright, of the mechanics because the helicopter will fall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Add some more here at the back. Well, of course, point it here. There you go. Here. And then you can add some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Make them, transparent. Make it transparent too, like that. Yes, another thing, we need to add some, blocks on its sides. Well, yes. So make this visible again. Then maybe we can add 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because guys, yeah, if we move sidewards or if we turn left and right or right, the helicopter will fall. Alright, there you go. Make them invisible, and then of course save. Oops. Yeah, save it. And then yeah, you have to reload it to use it properly. Alright guys, so let us try this now. So as you can see, I simply press this switch. Alright, so the thing is the rotor blade stop. To turn it on, there you go. Beautiful, right? So yeah, this one looks realistic, huh? Alright, so let us fly now. Oh! Not there! Oh, that is crazy! So guys, you must be careful entering the helicopter because the rotor blades might hit you. Alright, I must be careful in jumping. There you go. Alright, so of course first we need to take off. Yeah, look at that guys. See, we are now up in the air. Well, if you want to land, there you go. Easy as that. Very simple, right guys? Very easy. Alright, but somehow this one is very flex sporty. The limitations of this simple one is that you cannot really drive. Oh, you cannot really drive over this wall, but at least you have something, right? You have something to flex to your friends right now. Alright, yes, I hope you like this. I hope you love this. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.